Another quick upgrade. Let's just keep on coming and coming, don't they? Thought I wasn't doing this many. But let's see what's in the box. I've been interested in this since before I got the CVO. It's the Flo Motorsports floorboards. This color is funky. If you haven't seen it, it's a funky color. I think it will go amazing with the scorched chrome. And this is the standard floorboard, CVO floorboard. Matches everything. And there's the scorched chrome, as we all know. What's in the box? Flo Motorsports. Flo Motorsports. Okay. Let's open this box. Ooh, it's even impressive in person. Okay, that's a nice color. Let's pop it off let's cut these off, get it open, and see what it looks like. Okay, as you can see, it's the floorboard. Some people don't like these spikes. I kind of like the grip. The underboard. It's a pretty straightforward installation. So I'm gonna pop those off, pop these on, compare the two, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, you're gonna need a 7/16 wrench and a 3/16 hex bit to get these off. Now, let's compare the two. Alright. Weight-wise, the stock one's a lot heavier than this. It's a lot lighter. A lot lighter. I don't know the difference in weight. Size-wise, looks like the Flo might be a little wider, a little bit, but and lengthwise, the stock one has it by probably ½ an inch. So they're about the same size, much lighter than this. Let's put it on and see how it looks. Okay, it says to put these two wave washers stacked together on the rear only. It only comes with 4, so it's 2 on each side. So two stacked on the rear. Okay, you're gonna need a 7/16 socket to get behind this. That's an easy install. Let's see what it looks like on.